Welcome to the video. What I've got here is my hideaway bench grinder stand. And I came up with this a little while ago because I was renovating my shop and I wanted to save a little space. So I thought if I could somehow come up with an idea to have a little stand that would fold away underneath my bench whenever I wasn't using my bench grinder, then I would save a lot of space. I came up with an idea using regular door hinges. Two at the back securing it to the bench and one at the front for the support leg, and use lock nuts and bolts to keep it secure. I do have a kill switch, just in case anybody's wondering. There is a switch in there, and what happens is when that leg is pulled out, it cuts the power. As right now, you can totally use it. Okay, now that it's stopped, all I'm going to do is lift up on the handle. That leg swings out. It's just out a tiny bit. But I want to prove that there's no way now for that to accidentally be turned on. And then that leg just swings back and it holds it in place. And there it is. I just have to leave it there until I need it. And I have all this space here on my bench now. I don't use it every day. There's no point in having it set up. And then when I want to use it, I just lift it up. Lift up on the handle. The leg just goes back into place like that. It's pretty stable. The leg will not go inwards because of the hinge, the way the hinge is. That's as far as it can go. It can't kick out. You would have to have something in behind, force it out. That would be unlikely. It's pretty safe. In fact, we'll just turn that on. There's no vibration really that's going to make that bounce around. All the weight of the grinder is sitting right on top of that leg. Well, there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. That's my hideaway bench grinder. Leave comments, ask questions, whatever. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Subscribe to this channel because I have other videos like this and guitar videos, all kinds of stuff I do here in the shop. So thanks for watching the video.